Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Kawasaki KLX230SM. The year 2025 heralds a new era of excitement in the realm of sport motorcycles with the introduction of the Kawasaki KLX230SM. Combining rugged off-road capabilities with the agility of a supermoto, the KLX230SM promises to captivate riders seeking adrenaline-fueled adventures both on and off the beaten path. Design and performance. The Kawasaki KLX230SM embodies a fusion of versatility and performance-oriented design. Boasting a lightweight chassis and a peppy 233 cubic centimeters fuel-injected engine, the KLX230SM delivers spirited acceleration and nimble handling. Its SuperMoto-inspired styling features aggressive lines, complemented by a sleek digital display that provides essential ride data at a glance. With its off-road routes enhanced for urban environments, the KLX230SM strikes a perfect balance between rugged durability and street-ready agility. Technological enhancements. Equipped with advanced technology tailored for both on-road and off-road excursions, the KLX230SM features a robust suspension system and responsive braking capabilities. Riders can confidently navigate diverse terrains thanks to its dual-sport tires, optimized for traction and durability. The inclusion of Kawasaki's intelligent braking system enhances safety by providing precise control over braking forces, ensuring smooth deceleration in varied conditions. Comfort and practicality. Recognizing the importance of rider comfort during extended journeys, Kawasaki has meticulously crafted the KLX230SM with ergonomics in mind. A plush seat and adjustable suspension settings offer a personalized riding experience, accommodating riders of different sizes and preferences. Ample ground clearance and a lightweight build further contribute to the bike's versatility, allowing it to tackle rugged trails and city streets with equal ease. Market impact and availability. Anticipation for the Kawasaki KLX230SM is high among enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike, with its anticipated release scheduled across global markets in 2025. Positioned competitively in its segment, the KLX230SM is set to appeal to riders looking for a dynamic blend of off-road prowess and urban agility. Kawasaki's commitment to quality and innovation ensures that each KLX230SM delivers a thrilling riding experience, backed by the brand's renowned reliability and performance heritage. Conclusion. As Kawasaki continues to push the boundaries of sport motorcycle innovation, the KLX230SM emerges as a standout choice for riders seeking versatility, performance, and adventure in 2025. With its rugged design, advanced technology suite, and exceptional handling characteristics, the Kawasaki KLX230SM invites riders to explore new horizons and embrace the thrill of dual-sport riding. Whether conquering unpaved trails or navigating city streets, the KLX230SM promises an exhilarating journey that blends adrenaline with practicality, setting a new standard for sport motorcycles in the years to come.